Oh, yeah. Yummy. Okay, get a napkin, but it tastes fine, ladies and gentlemen, and don't be gross on the channel. Oh, that's good. Sorry I don't have my tripod with me, y'all. Can you tell? I'm a YouTuber. I'm like trying to eat up all the, what's it called? Hope you're not falling. Trying to eat up all the foam. I feel like I'm on a live. Coffee for a Monday morning.
Antonia's here.
Right here.
No, she's there.
Okay. Tell the rest of the house that I'm already up and ready to go.
Actually, it's Yuli.
Okay.
Yuli and Antonia.
Curious George. Y'all like Curious George? I liked him when I was
I
little.
look like Curious George.
I was just thinking of it.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Hello.
These are Victor Rico's napkins. I've been helping a housemate here get some food. You always have to insert yourself in my videos. Extra. I used extra creamy Ready Whip, you guys. Very good. Right? I don't understand you if you're not an early bird like me. And late birds just cramp my style.
Going on,
Unless they're the man I'm supposed to marry. Oh, man. Can you go get me the spoon or a spoon from the... I'll just... Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on. That's fork. Why?
You know, the camera's been picking you up talking the whole time. had to do. I had to throw away the heavy whipping cream because it smelled bad. It was like hardly any left. I will tell you this, Miss Coupon Girl. I do like putting the creamer or whatever milk from a cow that you use, or if you want to use oat milk or non-dairy milk, whatever. Okay, I'm pretty much done. This is the last of last week's coffee, but we have been taking care of it very well. Okay, here's a quick little eat with me. Bye. I will upload this after my shindig today. David's Harb gets their panties in a wad if you shout them out on YouTube or something. What do y'all have to be scared of? Makes you wonder what happens behind closed doors. Bye.